okusabira omwoyo gw'omugenzi James Garuga Musinguzi kukungaanyiza bannabyabufuzi okuva mu gavumenti n'oludda oluwabula gavumenti n'ebikongo okuva ekigezi gyasibuka n'abalala nga babadde ku All Saints Cathedral Nakasero. Okusaba kukulembeddwa Ssaabalabirizi Dr. Samuel Stephen Kazimba Mugalo ng'ono okubuulira kwa kwesigamiza ku bukkiriza obuliko ebikolwa.
Kingdom people are people of faith in action. Katonda tuyita okugasa ab'omugasha. So this is why God is calling everybody of us.
Atendereza omugenzi Garuga nti abadde mpajiruwaga mu kkanisa ng'azimbye amakanisa agawera, ayambye amasomero ga kkanisa aweeredde abaana bataliiko mwasirizi okutuuka ku ssaawa y'envannyuma.
This is a man whose faith was demonstrated by his works. Dr. James had a big heart for the people. He has supported many of our children in the church. Many. But even when he was on his bed, he had to sign a check to pay school fees for those children in Moroto up to the end of this year. He signed it.
Bamulekwa batendereza kitaabwe ng'abadde ow'enjawulo ng'abadde takoma kuzaala bo bokka wabula n'abalala bangi abataliiko mwasirizi.
And I just want to say that Daddy believed that a candle does not grow dim in lighting others. If anything, when there's one candle in a dark room, every time you light other candles, the entire room gets brighter. And that was Daddy's ethos. He was constantly lighting candles. And the room...
So he was a man of sacrifice. And if he believed in something strongly and passionately, regardless of the risks involved, he would still pursue it to its end.
Dr. Francis Lunumi yayogedde ku lw'emikwano gy'omugenzi ng'amutendereza olw'enkulaakulana gy'alese mu kigezi.
He inspired many people to do many things. He went to Kanungu and of course reaching there, he was, we had our swallowship centers. Many people would always gather to swallow. Then he would look at all of them, including me. You fools! How can you earn so much and you stay in a house that looks like a pit latrine?
Eyaliko Ssaabaminisita Mama Mbabazi naye atendereza Musinguzi nti tabadde wa bulijjo ng'akoleredde nnyo eggwanga lye.
James supported the liberation struggle in every sense, as we had his children say. He did not join the front line with a gun, but he supported us with conviction and courage.
Agamba nti yabbinkanako ne Musinguzi ku kifo ky'omubaka owa Kinkizi West era n'amumega naye nti baasigala bakolagana bulungi. Neyaliko Ssaabaminisita Dr. Hakana Rugonda atendereza omukulu omugenzi gw'alese.
He helped lay a powerful foundation against dictatorship, against tyranny. He believed firmly in freedom of thought, of ideas. And he went out of his way to put this in practice. That's why his name is associated with a number of political parties.
Reverend Andrew Agaba omu ku bateesiteesi ab'okusaba kuno ategeezezza nti Garuga afudde mwennyamivu olwa munywanyi we Retired Colonel Dr. Kizza Besigye okuba ng'ali mu kkomera n'asaba gavumenti emuyimbule.
And a few days before he was so ill. But one of the things that stressed him, maybe leaders of government can hear this, is the arrest of Dr. Kizza Besigye. And his plea was that, why can't you extend a hand of forgiveness to Dr. Kizza Besigye?
Namwandu w'omugenzi Peace Garuga abuulidde ekkanisa ku bulwadde obusebba.
On July 24th, he was complaining of chest pain hospital again to take the pneumonia. It was bad, but we thought it could be resolved with treatment. So the antibiotics we knew would handle all the common offending organisms. It was not responding. Which revealed a communication between the esophageal mass had eroded into the trachea, which is a breathing pipe. That made his management really difficult.
Minisita W'ebyensimbi Matia Kasaija yaakiikiridde gavumenti ng'ategeezezza abakungubazi nti Musinguzi afudde abanja gavumenti wabula n'akakasa nti ffamire ssente zino agenda kulwana okulaba nga zibasasulwa.
We talked. He was still talking well. He said, "You Kasaija, your government owes me money." And I found out that the government was owing Garuga money. I affirm that transaction will be completed if it has not yet been completed.
Bo ab'oludda oluwabula gavumenti bavuddeyo bakukuluma olw'obutaweebwa mukisa kwogera ku muntu waabwe.
Naye Road Mayor nga pulezidenti waffe yawaddeyo obubaka ewaka eggula ekiro. Ebintu bye tukoze byonna mu PFO bye twakola mu FDC kawabeeraawo ennaja nankumbi woolaba. Ebyo ebizimbe byali bya Garuga. Naga nti muyingire mujja kusasulanga akasende mpolampola mpaka lwe mulimala yakyatwalira emyaka egisukka ne10 nga tusasula.
Garuga waakuziikibwa ku bbalaza ya wiiki ejja mu disitulikiti ey'e Kannungo. Fred Kajobe yakusakidde eggulire lino ku Bukedde TV.